got Sam G in this corner. Hangman Gang. We got MC in this corner. NOEU. Y'all want to flip a coin or who going first?
Nigga, who going first? I'll go first. I just want to hear this little black ass nigga's verse. I just want to murder this nigga, have him riding in the hearse. My niggas vampires, we kill you a bloodthirst. So what the fuck you talking about? He the type of nigga before you put a gun, he want to walk it out. Type of shit niggas want to talk it out. So what the fuck do this nigga mean? I hit him with a right and leave his head on lean. But my niggas get on the block and sell hella cream. Y'all niggas bent over with that yellow lean. Trying to get fucked dick in the butt ass niggas. Ain't filled with pop, filled with nut ass niggas.
Talk. Hey, but hold up. Don't get mad when I get a little personal. You talking all that shit, but they on camera looking like, man, is he big, bro? He trying to go hard, but nigga, you ain't got no bars. It's the first time you got in the studio because I go hella hard. I've been doing this shit for about 8 years, boy. Where you been? You ain't got no records. Ain't nobody gonna play that shit and have it spin. You don't want to get me on this freestyle. You already know I lose my mind. That's why I go out of my mind and just saying all the goddamn time. Boy, I'm sick in this booth. You better ask somebody. Your mama got my album on iTunes, nigga. You better ask somebody. Hey, boy. I'm a young gangster. He can't even do it better. This black ass nigga look like that motherfucker Shredder. Oh, I really mean the Predator. What the fuck do we mean? Fuck this little ass nigga. He don't know what I mean. YouTube, iTunes. I ain't heard you. I'm a motherfucking gangster, my nigga. Bro, I ain't heard you. If he wanted, I'd get to him and bring hella static. That nigga name MC. But he better move over for Savage. I'm a motherfucking gangster. I'll let any nigga have it. Pike your head of electric, nigga, open your head and see your cabbage. I'll tell you something. You little flat back bastard. Who you talking to? Boy, you know I bring that habit. They call me Young Savage, but I got Big B. You talking to me wrong, you better ask somebody. You don't really want to see me. Yeah, he my blood brother, and he think he hella big. But I'll knock him out and his fucking kids will feel that shit. Okay. Boy, it ain't what the fuck is you rip on me? Okay. I'm dressed like this because I be doing my damn thing. We don't know about you. Better go get that little raggedy ass bitch. She can go ahead and do some shit. They gonna get you some new shit. Hey, I'm gonna go get my raggedy ass bitch. My bitch got a job down the road, but this bitch ain't doing shit. So what the fuck do this nigga mean that he spit? I don't hear that little fake ass dumb shit. So hey, my name's Savage G, and that's my little bro. Had to rip his little ass up. I had to let a little ass know. He can't fuck with me on some freestyle shit or a written fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm on gas, no brakes though. My niggas doing, my nigga got feet up and smoke. Y'all niggas already know. Hit them all with pistol smoke.
Time. Last round.
Like time because we don't want to hear that shit. He wrote that shit last night and gonna come in here and try to spit that shit. Like, nigga, that shit is written. Nigga, your baby mama said she a witness. Like a crime scene when I came through and that nigga was just straight spitting. And boy, I get the grip, and it's just a freestyle. And you know I'm gonna go wild like, man, the Wild and Out show. So I'm gonna let Lil Big Bro think he got this battle. We're gonna let the audience be the judge, and yeah, I bet they say MC. Cause yeah, they feeling me. I hop up in the beat. That boy stay in the streets, Big Bro ain't touching me.
Oh, okay, y'all good. That's it. You got something to say? 3 rounds, anything to say on the judge? Anything on MC?
Representing NOE. Big Bro need to go take some lessons. Look at it. You know what it is.